That's it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 more to go. What did it do? Let's see what we got here. Let me. All right. Nice. So now I just got this one, this one, this one. Just gotta cut out this door here, refrigerator in here, put the bottom drawers in there. I got those drawers right there, it's going up there. Got the grill cut out down. Just trim this up and do the countertop. And then ledger stone will be easy.
How about your big jug of water? You want that one?
Yeah, bring me that hydro jug.
The jug, right? Big one?
Yeah, thank you. That's it. Get it out. Bada bing, bada boom, you know what I mean? All right. So now I just got to put another layer of cement board on top of this, wait for the countertop to show up, and the ledger stone. That shit's done. Easy. Bada bing, bada boom. That's it.